أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The shape which is look like a bird and which has no dot. Okay, so what is this? Spelling is H-H-A-A, like ha ha. We will read cool, okay? Ha. And as I told you, we will read cool, and we will long it for 2 seconds because it has two A's at the name, okay? Ha. What is this again? Ha. One more time. Ha. Very good. Next, look at there. The same shape which is look like a bird, okay? But one dot up. So it is also in the green color, which I will tell you inshallah in the next lesson. Um, so the spelling of this letter is Khaa, like ha. Sounding will be ha ha ha, like when you clean your throat, like ha. Boldly, okay? Bold. Read boldly, heavy voice, okay? Ha. Again. Ha. 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 Three times, please. Ha. Okay, good. Number one. So this one was cool. Ha ha. This is light and cool. Okay. Next is bold. Ha. Very good. And ha will be also long for 2 seconds because it has two A's. Okay. Next. This is the letter which is like look like the opposite C, right? But it is the letter, its name is Daal. Daal. There will be a question in your mind. We will log it for 2 seconds. You will say, I think because it has two A's, right? You are right, but it has another sign also. It has much sign also. So we will long it for 5 seconds, not 2 seconds. Okay. So read Dhaal. Again. Dhaal. Again. Dhaal. Okay, good. Next, same shape which is look like dal belong to the same family, dal and zal, okay? But it is start from Z-A-A-L. But one more thing, that letter will be read softly like sa, okay? You will be put the tip of tongue between the teeth and then say zal, za, zal. It will be also long for 5 seconds because it has also mud sign, which I told you. This red sign is known as mud sign. Whenever this sign is come, we will long it for 5 seconds, okay? So zal, zal. Don't say zal because it will be different, okay? So you just say softly, easily. Read zal, okay? Now one more time from beginning. Ha, kho, dal. 5 seconds. Dal. 5 seconds. Then what is this? Look like slide. Like look at there. Can you see? Ra has one or two more shapes, but this is commonly which is coming like mostly. So you can say, okay, what is this? This is the R-A-A. Ra, 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 ra. What is this? Ra. Ra will be read boldly, okay? Ra. Don't say ra, okay? Because some kids saying ra ra. This is wrong, okay? Simple ra fluently. Ra 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 like that, okay? Ra will be long for 2 seconds. Don't say ra, okay? So just say ra ra Okay, simple. Good. So now ha, kha, dal, zal. Softly and long for 5 seconds. Ra, bold and long for 2 seconds. Okay. So now we are doing little exercise now. So look at there. In this page, there is no name available in English. You just try. What is this? I told you the shape it just look like a bird and without any dot. What is this? This is ha ha ha. What is this? Ha. What is it, beta? Ha, and we will learn for 2 seconds. Ha, cool, okay? Ha, ha. Next, what is this? It is bold and one dot up, okay? In green, always coming in the green color in the colorful Quran, okay? So now, kha, kha, long for 2 seconds and read boldly, okay? Kha, okay? Don't, some people saying kha, not say like bold, okay, heavy voice, okay. Kha. Next is dal, long for 5 seconds because I told you it has much sign. We will long it for 5 seconds. Dal, okay. Next, this is softly and long for 5 seconds. Softly means that you will be read like you put after tongue, you put the tip of the tongue between the teeth and then say Dhaal. Okay. Next, what is this? Raw. What is this? Raw. Raw. So we learn today from ha to raw. Okay. So in the first lesson we learn about kalima number first, okay, which is La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. What is La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. So you can take help from this English one. Okay, can you see? La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Still enough for the second chapter also, the first kalima only, okay? You will try to practice the first lesson and the second lesson also at least 2 or 3 times. Okay, so inshallah I hope you will be able to learn by self, inshallah. Okay, you can go now, and assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allah hafiz.